So you are going to have to pick 3 equations from each column. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go through, and as a class, we're going to pick 1 equation from this column. Charmony, pick one. -4. Okay, everyone circle it. And then I want you to write right here, x equals -4. Okay, have you ever seen an equation that looks like that? Okay, it says x equals -4. It is a line where no matter what, the x coordinate is always -4. So, Ellie, give me a number. Okay, if y is 6, the x coordinate is -4. Sammy, give me a number.
3.
If y is 3, the x coordinate is -4. Olivia, give me a number. 5. If y is 5, the x coordinate is -4. Okay? Literally, the x's are all -4. We could pick any y value. Okay? So what we're going to do is we are going to plot -4, 6, -4, 3, and -4, 5 on our graph. So write those down. You're going to put your graph paper like this. Okay? And we're going to graph -4, 6, -4, 3, and -4, 5. Graph those 3 points that we just came up with. Okay, so what you're going to do with your ruler is you are going to make a line that fills the entire page. So top to bottom, make the line with your ruler. That's why I gave it to you.
All the way down?
All the way down, all the way up. This is interesting. Channing, what's the slope of that line? Oh, it's undefined. So back on your packet page, let's write that our slope is undefined. And there's not a y-intercept because it's a vertical line. Okay? I will tell you that every single one of these x equals graphs, you're going to get a line that's just straight up and down with undefined slope. Okay? So later when it's work time, you are going to pick 2 more to put right there. Okay? Okay. I've showed you how to do that. You can fill the other 2 boxes. Okay? Now, let's go to the second column. Matthew, which one would you like to pick in this column? 5? So circle it and write here, y equals 5. Okay. Do you see any x to plug into? No, it's y equals 5. Y equals 5. Y equals 5. Y equals 5 at every single coordinate. Landon, give me a number. Okay, if x is 5, y is 5. Carly, give me a number. Just a different number. Huh? 4. If x is 4, y is 5.
3.
If x is 3, y is 5. No matter what coordinate we pick, or x coordinate, the y coordinate is 5 because y equals 5, y equals 5, y equals 5.
Wait, so we just pick random numbers?
Yeah. Huh. What is this going to look like? Nope. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, and 3, 5 were the two coordinates, right? 3 coordinates? I can't count.
Such a good line.
What kind of line do we have?
A 0, 0.
Ah, we have 0 slope. Cool.
Oh, shoot.
The what?
The tennis ball.
Whoa.
There's fake data in the new classroom for you to use. Okay. Back to our packet. What is our slope?
A 0.
Yeah, connect the lines. Our slope is 0. And if the y's are always 5, what is our y-intercept? Cool. I don't know what you just said. Okay, so basically, the one I did in pink, so over here, all of these are going to be vertical lines with undefined slope. There's no y-intercept. Over here, these are all going to be horizontal lines with 0 slope, and there will be a y-intercept. Okay? Now, what do you notice about the next two columns? These all look like y equals mx plus b. We know how to do that. Okay? So what I'm going to do, we are going to leave these 4 blank. You're going to come back to this page. What we're going to do is together as a class, we're going to pick 1 from this column. 1/2 x plus 3. Okay. 1/2 x plus 3 sounds like a great choice, Lyndon. So circle it. Y equals 1/2 x plus 3. And I'm going to go to the top of the second page, and y equals 1/2 x plus 3. Okay. Remember, y equals mx plus b. So we're doing this right here. Jaden, we're doing it on the next page. Okay. What's the slope? Yeah, you do. 1/2. Y equals mx plus b. Our slope is 1/2. What's the y-intercept? Oh, yeah, 3. Okay, so if the y-intercept is 3, okay, let's just say 0. If x is 0, when I plug 0 in for x, 1/2 times 0 plus 3. What do we get for y? Oh, cool. So 0, 3 is a coordinate. Okay, normally I would say plug in 1, but what's maybe a better number to pick? 2. Why is 2 a better number to pick than 1? Okay, because we're going to have to take 1/2 times x plus 3. That'd be like 4. So we have the coordinate 2, 4 to plot. Okay.
4.
Oh, okay, let's plug in 4. 1/2 x plus 3. 1/2 times 4 plus 3. Done? Huh? 5? Okay. You can do the math, or you can plot the point and do rise over run and then record the points on your chart. I don't really care. Okay? But I need that chart to be filled out. Okay? So we have 0, 3, 2, 4, and 4, 5. Ooh, this is gonna look so good, you guys. I would like you to use your ruler and make the line that goes all the way through the page.
Oh, I kind of missed.
We're gonna color it, it'll look good. Okay, now remember, I'm only doing 4 lines with you. You're gonna get to choose the rest, okay? Over there. Okay. So you'll notice that if we go back to that first page, or the second page, I guess, okay, we've picked one from each of these 3 columns. This 4th column is the same, they just all have negative slopes, okay? So you'll get to pick the rest of those. What I want to do is I want you to go to the very back, and I want to model for you what I want these back 3 to look like. Okay? On the back, you're going to graph 3 lines, but you're going to graph them from the coordinates. Okay? So, Carlos, I just want you to pick one of these sets of coordinates. The first one? Okay. I want everybody to circle the first set of coordinates. And what you're going to do, you're going to write the first coordinate and then the second coordinate. Okay. What I'm going to ask that you do, we're going to plot the 2 points and connect them with our ruler. And we're going to have to identify the slope. So you have 2 options. You can, number 1, if you really want to, you can use the formula to find your slope, or we could plot the points and count rise over run. We got to plot the points anyway, right? Okay, so let's go plot the points, people. What was the first one?
10.
Okay, so from our origin, I'm going to go to the left. There's my negative 10, 0. Right? What was the other coordinate? 0, 10? Oh, okay. And then, yeah, connect the dots, man. Positive or negative slope? This has a positive slope, so go ahead and circle that. Okay. We also need to calculate the slope. Now, I think once we get it graphed, it's pretty easy to see what the rise over run is. What's the rise? 10. What's the run? 10. Okay. So we can come over here and say, all right, we have positive slope. Our rise over run was 10 over 10, but what do I want you to write it as? 1. Okay. And then you got to do that 2 more times on that page. Okay. So I need you to work hard today on getting as many of the 15 lines drawn. How many do you need from each chunk? 3. 3 from each chunk. We've already picked 1 from 4 of the 5 chunks. You have today to work. You have all class period Monday to work. My goal is for them to be done Tuesday when we come to school.
Isn't this amazing?
Yes. So, I'm going to project. This is how I'm going to grade it. Okay.
These are colored.